Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of changing the priority of Telegram Stories notifications. Do you want to prioritize certain stories notifications over others and ensure you never miss important updates? Well, you're in luck. Telegram allows you to customize the priority of stories notifications to suit your needs. So let's dive into the step-by-step process of changing the priority of Telegram Stories notifications. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Step 2. In the top left corner of the screen, tap on the 3 stacked lines. This will open the menu options. Step 3. From the menu, select Notification and Sounds. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Priority. Step 4. Tap on the Priority option. You'll see a list of settings that determine the priority of Stories notifications. Choose the setting that suits you best based on your preferences and the importance of the stories you receive. By following these simple steps, you can easily change the priority of Telegram Stories notifications and ensure you never miss out on important updates. Changing the priority of Stories notifications allows you to have better control over your notification experience. You can prioritize notifications from close friends, family, or important contacts, ensuring you see their stories first and never miss any essential updates. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the customized Stories notification experience with Telegram.